Starting around 06 October 2023, Bitgert basically is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05% in most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. Brise sort of has a genuinely complete market cap of $103,684,343, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,707,965, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This especially makes Bitgert, Brise, beautiful positioning at 190 in the digital money market in a by and large significant manner. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert be truly worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Is Bitgert a very wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Brise cost especially outperform its unequaled in every way that really matters, high in an unpretentious way? These most certainly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which really is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Brise cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a by and large normal value level of $0.00000035, the normal essentially least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the genuinely current year. Ought to sort of be $0.00000034 in a sort of significant manner. Besides, Brise can arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $0.00000038, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032. So explicitly is Bitgert a kind of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Which basically is genuinely huge. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.00000031, exhibiting that starting around 06 October 2023, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost for the most part is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the typical cost of Brise for the September essentially remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035, which certainly is genuinely critical. While the typical exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.00000033, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Bitgert value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for Bitgert could basically stretch around $0.00000037, exhibiting how might Brise cost really outperform its unequaled high, or so they especially thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 fundamentally is $0.00000034, with an essentially normal cost of $0.00000035, which certainly shows that these fundamentally are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value gauge December 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could for the most part go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023 in an especially huge manner. Brise could in a real sense exchange around a by and large greatest worth of $0.0000038, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $0.0000034, exhibiting that Bitgert value conjecture December 2023. The kind of normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could go to $0.0000035 toward the finish of December 2023 in a for the most part significant manner. Bitgert kind of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been in a real sense diminished by 6.8% in its kind of current worth, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we basically look at the truly current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, which most certainly is very critical. Bitgert for the most part is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which fundamentally shows that this fundamentally makes Bitgert, Brise, really positioning at 190 in the digital money market, which basically is very huge. The Brise in every way that really matters is down to nearly 26.57% in the sort of most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for most certainly past really couple of days. The coin could basically have major areas of strength for pretty however, we don't in a real sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, present moment, which by and large is very critical. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise for the most part diminished by 46.523%. Taking out an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.0000023 from its ongoing worth, exhibiting that while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.0000033 in a significant manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a fundamentally great in every practical sense, purchase a potential open door for kind of fast venture, showing how inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise generally diminished by 46.523%. Killing an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.0000023 from its essentially current worth, exhibiting that while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.0000033, or so they sort of thought. Bitgert value estimate 2023 facts. What will truly be Bitgert really worth in 2023, or so they most certainly thought. The Brise cost in every practical sense is estimated to arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 0. As far as value, Bitgert basically has a remarkable in every way that really matters potential to arrive at new levels, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. It truly is estimate that Brise will increment in esteem, which by and large shows that will Brise cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per really unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Bitgert can in a real sense hit the practically the greatest cost of $0.000000134 till 2030, showing how as per in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business experts, Bitgert can raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $0.000000134